Hi everybody, my name is Alveera and I'm a real estate agent. I have been coaching with Rizwana for about 2 years now. When I first started as a real estate agent, I had no idea what I was doing. And what Rizwana did for me in these past 2 years is nothing short of a miracle for myself. I'm a kind of a girl that's just an introvert, not talking to people much. I'm not very active on social media. And all of that has changed. In my business, I am able to get more listings. I'm able to do lead generation by automation. I'm more active on social media. And here I am making a video. Who knew that I would once, be able to step out of my comfort zone this way? Rizwana does an excellent job in teaching you in ways that are easy to understand and follow through. And she also provides resources that creates independence within your business and in your life as well. She's an excellent coach in so many different ways. One of the main things that I've gotten from her is how to help my business grow. She always has ideas for me. Anytime I'm feeling stuck, we sit, we talk through, and we come up with new ideas and new ways to just kind of amp my business up. She also brings a ray of positivity into my life and my business. There's nothing I cannot do, and that's how I feel after coaching with Rizwana.